Hello students, welcome to the class. So in today's class, we are going to learn one amazing Vedic matrix that how to find cube root of any number. Okay. So here we have this number 1728, right? So normal method, it will take very long time, right? So don't worry, we will learn a trick in today's class. So what is your first task? Your first task is to focus on the last digit here. So the last digit is 8, right? Now check that from 1 to 10, which is the number whose cube unit digit is also 8. So here 2 is the number whose cube unit digit is also 8, right? So what is my ones digit in my cube root? My ones digit is 2, okay? After this, for tens digit, what will I do? I will cancel the last 3 digit of my number. So what is last 3 digit here? 728, right? Now which number is left? 1 is left, correct? Now I will check that 1 lie between which cube numbers. Okay, so here 1 lie between 1 and 8, right? So 1 lie between 1 and 8. Now I will select the smaller cube number for my tens digit. So here 1 is a smaller cube number, right? From 1 and 8, 1 is a smaller cube number. So 1 is my tens digit and 12 is my answer. So its cube root is 12. Very easy, right? Let's see one more example. So here we have this number. Okay, so what is my first task? My first task is again to focus on the unit digit. So what is unit digit here? Unit digit is 6, right? Now after this, I will see that from 1 to 10, which is the number whose cube unit digit is also 6. So if you will look carefully, so here 6 is the number whose cube unit digit is also 6, right? So my ones digit is 6 here. So this is my ones digit. Now after this, for tens digit, I will cancel my last 3 digit. So this is the last 3 digit I will cancel. Now I have 175, right? Now I will check that 175 lie between which cube numbers. So here 175, it lie between 125 and 260, right? So this is between 125 and 260. Now after this, I will select the smaller cube number. So in 125 and 216, which is a smaller cube number, 125, right? So 125 is a smaller cube number. Now for my ones digit, I will take its cube root. So basically 5 is my tens digit. So my answer is 56. Very easy, right? So again, always focus on your first task is always focus on the unit digit and check that from 1 to 10, which is the number whose cube unit digit is also that number, okay? Now select that cube root for the ones digit, okay? After that, cancel the last 3 digit of your number and then whatever number left you have, check that number lie between which cube numbers and select the cube root of smaller cube numbers. Okay, let's see one more example for this. So here we have this number, right? So what is our first task? Focus on the unit digit. So what is unit digit here? Unit digit is 4, right? Now again, after this, I will check that from 1 to 10, which cube number unit digit is also 4, right? So from 1 to 10, if you will look carefully, 4 is the number whose cube unit digit is also 4, right? So what is my ones digit? My ones digit is 4. Now I will cancel the last 3 digit for the tens digit, right? So I will cancel 184. Now we have 85. Now I will check that 85 lies between which cube numbers. So it lies between 64 and 125, right? So 85 lies between 64 and 125. Now after this, I will select the cube root of a smaller cube number for my tens digit, right? So what is cube root of 64? It is 4, correct? So the correct answer is here 44. So cube root of this number is 44. Okay, so this is very easy, correct? Let's see one more example for this. So here we have this number 10,648. So what is unit digit here? Unit digit is 8, right? Now again, I will check that from 1 to 10, which is the number whose cube unit digit is also 8. So here 2 is the only number from 1 to 10 whose cube unit digit is 8, correct? So my ones digit is 2 here. Now after this, I will cancel the last 3 digit of my number. So here the last 3 digit is 648. So I will cancel this. Now I have 10, right? I will check that. After this, I will check that 10 lie between which cube numbers? So here 10 lie between 8 and 27, correct? Now in 8 and 27, which cube number is smaller? 8 is smaller, right? So my 10th digit is cube root of 8, that is 22. So this is my answer. So 22 is the cube root of this number. So this is the trick we have learned in today's class, that how to find cube root of any number. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then follow Sister Class for more such content.